So today we are going to cover the topic physical features of India, and the fourth topic is the Indian desert. The first one, Himalayan mountain, we have covered, then the northern plain is also done, peninsular plateau is done, and then we are here with the Indian desert. Here we will see its introduction part, then its location and extent, its climate, soil and vegetation, then landforms, and what are its important features, how human life is going here, and the key points to remember. Okay, so let us start. Physical features of India, that is the Indian desert. So the Indian desert is one of the major physiographic division of India, and it is also known as the Thar desert and is located on the western margin of the Aravalli hills. So the other name is the Thar desert and is located on the western margin of the Aravalli hills. So if you are going to talk about the Indian desert location and extent, then the Indian desert lies to the west of the Aravalli hills, and it mostly covers the state of Rajasthan. It extends into the parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. So mostly it covers the Rajasthan, but it extends into some parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. The desert is bordered by the Indus River on the west and the Aravalli Range on the east. However, the desert is bordered by the Indus River on the west and the Aravalli Range on the east side, right? If we are going to talk about the climate of the Indian desert, then we have seen that desert has an arid climate. Arid means very little or no rainfall, dry climate, right? And here we will see the very low rainfall are there, that is less than 150 millimeter per year. And if you are going to talk about the temperature, then high temperatures during the day and very low temperature at night. It means extreme variation of temperature is seen here. Hot and dry winds blow during the day. Not only this, we also see hot and dry winds are blow during the daytime in the Indian desert. So if we are going to talk about the soil and the vegetation, then here we will see sandy soil that is not very fertile, and vegetation, very sparse vegetations like the cactus, thorny bushes and shrubs are found here. And natural vegetation is adapted to survive with less water. So natural vegetation is adapted to survive with the less water. Whatever the plants we will see, they are just have been adapted to survive with the Indian desert and its climate. So landforms, if we are going to talk, then the desert has sandy plains, sand dunes, that is the barkans or seeps, and rocky surface we will see here. Wind erosion is common and it plays a major role in shaping the desert landforms. During the monsoon, temporary streams or rivers may appear but usually disappear quickly due to the sandy soil. So, however, the rainfall is also very less. Sometimes the temporary streams may appear, but as it usually disappear quickly due to the sandy soil. And the important features of Indian desert is Luni is the only large river in this region, and Indira Gandhi Canal, it provides water for irrigation, helping to make some parts of the desert suitable for farming. So Luni is the only river in this region, and Indira Gandhi Canal, it provides water for irrigation and that further help to make some parts of the desert suitable for farming. So if we are going to talk about the people, how the human life is here and how they have been settled, then population density is low due to harsh climate, and people are mostly involved in animal rearing, especially camel, goat and sheep. Traditional lifestyle is followed here, but now since development is there, and here we will see improvement due to water availability from the canal. Okay, so somehow the lifestyle of the people are changing and improving here due to the availability of water from the Indira Gandhi Canal. So finally, the key points to remember here about the Indian desert is it lies west to Aravallis, and here we will see hot and dry with low rainfall, the climate, sandy soil, sand dunes and scarce vegetation is there, and Luni River and Indira Gandhi Canal are the lifeline of the Indian desert. Okay. So this is about the physical features of Indian desert. It was a small topic that we have covered. We have gone through its location and extent also, and then the landforms, soil and vegetation, its important feature. So we will meet with the coastal plain and the island is left, the physical features of India. That is also we are going to cover in the next video.